We're making baklava. Hello, I'm Jamie. This is Anti-Chef. Welcome back to the program. We got another viewer requested dish today and our latest version of Just Tell Me What to Make. This is from my friend, Mr. Todd3620. I think you should try baklava. Start out by looking for a good recipe. There are many, some are easier than others. Okay, I always just assumed baklava was from Greece. I live next to Greektown in Toronto. I see it, I smell it everywhere I go. But I just read something and I've changed my mind. I think it's Turkish. The Greeks and the Turks still argue over which dishes were originally Greek and which were Turkish. Baklava, for example, is claimed by both countries. It's Greek, it's Turkish, who cares? So this pastry dish is layered with phyllo dough, coated in butter, filled with mixed nuts, and topped with syrup. It's like 1,000,000 degrees in here today. Ugh. In my food processor, I add walnuts, pistachios, sugar, cinnamon. I'm gonna pulse this to break up the nuts. Two sticks of butter. Cut these phyllo sheets to fit into this. Brush on a thin layer of melted butter. Take your first phyllo sheet and put it gently onto the bottom of the baking pan. Lightly butter the phyllo sheet. Repeat that 6 times. Sprinkle half of these nuts on top of this, making sure you reach all the edges. Take another phyllo sheet and put it on top of these nuts. Butter on top. Sprinkle these remaining nuts on top, spreading out to the edges. I'm gonna put 7 more phyllo sheets on top. Last one. Put it on top. With a sharp knife, cut the baklava diagonally. Baklava is now cut into a nice diamond pattern. Place this into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 minutes. It's about halfway through baking this thing. I'm gonna rotate the pan in the oven to ensure that it browns evenly. Baklava comes out of the oven. Let it cool for a bit. It's time to make the syrup. I need a saucepan. 3/4 cups of water. 3/4 cups of sugar. 3/4 cups of honey. Boiling for 10 minutes. Pour the syrup on top of the baklava, covering the entire thing. I have the baklava sealed airtight. Now I let it sit overnight. See you tomorrow. Check out that filling. Okay, that's it for me. If you like this episode, give it a big thumbs up. That would be awesome. Subscribe for more Anti-Chef, and why don't you comment down below what you'd like to see me make next. See you next week. Bye.